Let's make a chocolate mousse cake. So here we have 1 cup of whipping cream in the mixing bowl. Start mixing it on a very lower speed, gradually moving towards the medium and then to the higher. Here we are looking for a soft peak stage. So let's check for the soft peak. So here we have achieved the soft peak. Let's add the ganache to it. To 1 cup of whipping cream, here we are taking half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of ganache. Now well combine it. So here our mousse is ready. So let's trim off the cake. Chop off from the top. Create border on the sides, slowly moving inwards and give slice to your cake. Create even layers. So here we have even layers and now we will fill the piping bag. So let's fill the piping bag with the mousse. So apply some mousse on the board to stick the cake. Soak it with water or sugar syrup. Apply the mousse with the piping bag. Piping bag will make it much more easier to give even layers. Repeat the step. Clean the sides as well. To avoid the slippiness, I am placing a tissue soaked with water. Repeating the layers with the mousse and the sponge and the soaking. Again with the mousse and the sponge and the soaking. Cover the cake with the mousse all over. Even it out with a palette knife. Now with the help of a scraper, we will remove the excess and smooth out the sides. Don't forget to even it out from the top as well and clean the board too. Repeat this step until you get a smooth finish. From the top and the sides both. So here we have the clean finished. Let's make rosettes. For rosettes we need 1 nozzle, ganache and 2 piping bags. 1 bag filled with ganache and the other will have the nozzle. So let's place the nozzle in the bag. Cut it open and make it secure and firm. So let's place the ganache bag in the nozzle bag. Firmly secure it and make the rosettes. Starting from the center, slowly rotating it and making it firm and close. And here you go. The rosettes is ready. Let's do this on a cake. Creating the rosettes on the walls of the cake. On the top as well. Taking 1 more nozzle to create some droplets. Small and big both size. And voila! Here your cake is ready.